Prezidente Repúblika no Reprezentante IOM Timor Leste ao encontro hodi Deskute Jestaun Ordem Migrasaun no Seguransa e Fronteira.
Prezidente Repúblika Horta terça-ne ao encontro com o representante IOM, que é a Organização Internacional para a Migração e Timor Leste, onde apresenta serviço IOM durante no discute gestão ordem migração no segurança e a fronteira sira. Foi no encontro representante IOM e Timor Leste hatete, discussão focaliu gestão ordem migração no segurança e a fronteira sira, onde garante fronteira seguro, ato prevene tráfico humano, nossa ação contrabando
I just had another meeting with the President of Timor Leste, providing him with an update on what IOM has been doing in the country for the last couple of years, and particularly in the last few months since my arrival. And I also discussed with him some of the priorities on issues of migration moving forward. Some of the issues we discussed. As IOM, we do get involved in a number of areas because migration is cross-cutting. So we discuss issues of border management and security. We also discussed issues of displacement that happens as a result of natural hazards such as flooding and landslides. All of these form key aspects of our work here in Timor Leste. Border management, how the border is managed for the safety and security of the Timor Leste people. How do we ensure that the border is secure? How do you ensure things such as protection in terms of human trafficking, and how do you prevent things such as migrant smuggling? That is border management issues. So those were some of the issues discussed. And those are issues of national security. So of course I wouldn't be given too much details of those.
E encontro Horta moça aprecia serviço IOM durante tama serviço nebe IOM halo no dar parte husi sistema union no husu atu IOM atu continua halau serviço hodi bele apoio ba Timor Leste ni dia e futuro equipa cobertura GMN